But before I unveil this banner, let me first appreciate the founder of this organization for the initiative and the little talk we had from you is so much encouraging. And as Nigerians, and as people that are ever ready to see that we have a friendly and safe environment for our girl child, we must join hands together to support your initiative. And to the glory of God, I crave the indulgence of everybody in this hall to join us as we unveil this marvelous banner. To the glory of God and the benefit of humanity, but in the political palace, they say, no woman, no nation. No nation. So, in special celebration of our womanhood, I have the pleasure to unveil this banner. Thank you. You go higher from strength to strength. God is congratulations.